and the NHS.
No, I'm telling you,
You want to privatise it. That is what you want.
And let's change the funding.
We'll not be
Would you
taking
like more
any elections
private?
from
You'd
you.
like more private
We want to invest in our
healthcare?
NHS,
No,
not crush it.
let's
What happened was completely wrong.
Penny Mordaunt,
talk our
bring up
language
your words.
all they like. They're
I'd
not
like to
gonna
hear
back it up
now.
in action.
One thing that we can do to help the gentleman who asked the question is about ensuring that you keep more of your money.
Tanya, your government
what is it
have raised
Angela?
taxes to
What
the
is
record
it?
level in 70
What is-
years.
yeah,
the last
we have.
government-
I think what happened was very wrong.
I'm going to. Penny Mordaunt, you've had your say on
has
this.
been honest.
Carla,
He said this
Carla,
week
Penny
he's
Mordaunt,
doing-
thank
What happened was very wrong.
So if you want change, vote Labour.